Hello everyone. So in my previous video we discussed about the inserting one record, updating one record and deleting one record. So in this session we are just going to deal with the more than one records, right? So let me check first how many collections I have. So two collections I have. Suppose I'm going to create one new collection and I'm just going to give a name to users, right? So my users collection is created. Now in this users collection, I want to insert more than one records, right? So I'm just going to write users dot. Now instead of insert one, I need to use insert many, right? So here again, I'm just going to use this syntax. So it is very easy if you follow this kind of syntax structures. Here I want that ID I want to assign. I don't want MongoDB to generate the automated ID, right? So I'm just going to provide the ID colon one, then name is equals to, I'm just going to provide John and age is equals to 30. I'm going to insert another record that is ID colon two, then name colon Jane, right? And age of Jane is 25. Then I'm just going to add one another record that is ID 3, then name is Bob, right? And age of the Bob is 45. So I have inserted the record. Now let me check. So users dot find. So here we are just finding all the records by using find method, right? Okay, so here we are having three records. So this way you can insert more than one record by using MongoCell, right? Now, suppose say for example, I want to update the age of all the users named John, right? To whatever age you want to set, right? So here we are having the users collection. So again, db dot users dot update many. So here I'm just going to use updateMany. Okay, then again in the updateMany I'm just going to put this. So for which parameter I want to change, so name equal to the John. So for John, all the name John, I'm going to set this particular parameter age to 35, right? So all the name John. So here only one record is there, so it will show that match count equal to 1, modified count equal to 1. Now, if you just verify the data, then you will see that the John having 35 age, right? The same way, suppose say for example, if I want to delete all the users, right, that has age less than 30, right? So here I'm just going to write db dot collections dot delete many. So it will delete all the age, all the users which are having age less than 30. So here we are using some special symbols that is less than LT and the age equal to 30, right? So if you see that deleted count equal to 1. So here, if you just verify the data again, then you will see that here this Jan data is deleted because the age parameter is less than 30, right? So this way you can insert, update and delete more than one records at the same time, right? So thank you for watching this.